Hello everybody. Today at Bob's Watches we're introducing a fresh to the market, barn find, unpolished, vintage Rolex Daytona 6263, brought to you straight from the family of the original owner, a high-profile real estate investor who had purchased the watch to commemorate one of his largest and most successful deals. This watch contains a 2.8 million serial number that was produced around 1971. The characteristics include a stainless steel rivet bracelet with a folding clasp. The dial is a reverse panda dial and still has all of its luminous dots and lacks the Daytona branding that became standard on later examples of the iconic chronograph reference. This Daytona has a 37.5mm stainless steel case that is in great overall condition with slight blemishes on the bezel and contains a manual movement powered by a caliber 727 Valjoux movement. This Daytona comes with a Rolex box and papers. As all watches we sell, this watch comes with a 3-day satisfaction guarantee.